The present moment is here, pregnant with potential and brimming with a sense of anticipation. This is the golden opportunity, the perfect occasion to harness this pure, raw energy. The energy that has been lying dormant, waiting for the right moment to burst forth, ready to be released and channeled into the only mediums capable of containing and directing it, your mind and body. This energy is not merely physical. It's an inherent force, a blend of your mental, emotional, and spiritual strength. When tapped into, this energy can propel you forward. It can push you to achieve and even surpass your goals. Now is the time to leverage this potential powerhouse, to channel it into the most productive of routes, your workout routine. It's time to rise, to awaken the sleeping giant within you. Time to embrace the challenge that lies ahead. Rise from your serene state, a state of calmness and tranquility that has been nurtured and preserved over time. A tranquil state that serves as your sanctuary, your safe haven from the rest of the world. Carry this sense of peace and tranquility within you, like a beacon in the darkest of nights. Let it guide you, let it illuminate your path. As you carry it within you, let it permeate every inch of your being, influencing your every action with its powerful calm. It's time now to take that first step, that monumental stride towards your fitness goals. It may seem like an uphill task, a massive mountain to climb, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. With this energy harnessed and tranquility in hand, step forward with an unwavering resolve to conquer, to surpass, and to realize the potential that is uniquely yours. The first step, no matter how small, marks the beginning of an extraordinary journey towards your fitness goals. The journey may be long, it may be tough, but remember, you are not alone. You have the power of your own energy and the tranquility you've nurtured within you. Now go forth and conquer your goals. Voice over. Now let's take a moment to focus on our breath. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the cool air rush into your nostrils, filling your lungs, expanding your chest and abdomen. Hold it there for a moment, basking in this life-giving force, this vital energy that fuels your being. Now, slowly exhale, releasing the breath, letting it carry away any tension, any stress that may have been lingering within you. Feel your body relax, your muscles loosen. Let's repeat this. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale slowly. Let your breath flow naturally. Let it be your guide, your rhythm. Remember, your breath is the link between your mind and body, a bridge that connects your physical and mental state. It's the key to mindfulness, to being present in the moment. It's also your ally during your workout, providing you with the energy and focus you need. As you continue to breathe deeply, let this tranquility wash over you, preparing you mentally and physically for the journey ahead. Remember, your breath is your anchor during your workout, your constant companion as you navigate through each exercise, each challenge. Now with your breath as your guide, let's embark on this journey of fitness and well-being. Voice over. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. That's the most important thing you need to know. The humble act of taking that one step, of choosing to move forward rather than remain stagnant. It might seem insignificant, but it is the spark that ignites the flame of change. And look at you now, you've done it. You've taken that very first step. Today, this very moment, you took that step. You planted your foot firmly and decided to embark on this journey. Today, you made a decision that will change everything. And today, you chose to not just watch life pass you by, but to actively participate in it. You chose to not just exist, but to live. Today, you opted for transformation and growth. You decided that it's time to progress, to evolve. Today, you chose to prioritize your health and well-being. You chose to put yourself first, to invest in your own health, to take the time to care for your body and mind, to not just survive, but to thrive. Today, you chose to commit to a lifestyle of wellness, of continuous self-improvement. Today, you chose to be stronger, to be better. You've decided to stop simply enduring and start conquering. You've chosen resilience over defeat, courage over fear. This is your journey, and you're ready to face everything that comes your way with unwavering determination. Today, you chose to be stronger, to be better. Voiceover. Again, let's return to our breath. It's the life force that fuels us, a silent powerhouse that keeps us going. Pay attention to it. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Now, let's practice deep breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, count to 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle 3 more times. Feel the air filling your lungs, the life force flowing through you. As you breathe out, let go of any tension, any stress, any worries. Let them flow out of you with each exhale. Remember, your breath is not just a means of survival, but a tool for focus, a source of energy. It's the foundation of your meditation, your exercise, your journey to wellness. It's the anchor that keeps you grounded, the wind that pushes you forward. Your breath is your strength during your workout. It's the steady beat that sets your pace, the calming rhythm that soothes your mind, the fuel that powers your body. Harness it, control it, and let it guide your journey. Voiceover. Carry this visualization with you. Take a moment and truly feel the power of it. Envision yourself standing at the top of a mountain, having just climbed the tallest peak, having just overcome the most formidable challenges. Hold on to that image, every detail, every sensation, every emotion. Imagine the feeling of the wind whipping around you, the sense of triumph, accomplishment, and strength. Remember the feeling of your heart pounding in your chest, the adrenaline surging through your veins, sweat on your brow. Take a moment to appreciate the effort and determination that it took to reach this point. Ponder on the obstacles you faced, the difficult paths you tread, the steep slopes you had to climb. Revel in the truth that you overcame them all. Each hurdle you crossed, each challenge you conquered has made you stronger, more resilient, more determined. Let that feeling seep into your consciousness. Let it fill you, empower you, inspire you. Let that feeling drive your determination. Let it be the fire that fuels your resolve. Allow it to take root in your heart. Let it be the beacon of light that guides you in the darkest of times. The journey towards your fitness goals will not be an easy one. There will be days of immense struggle and nights of profound uncertainty. But with this visualization, you will find the courage, the strength, the resilience to push on, to keep going, to never give up. So, let this be your mantra, your battle cry, your anthem. Let it be the wind beneath your wings as you soar towards your fitness goals. Voiceover. The journey ahead may not be easy, but remember, it's a journey made for you. Your steps, your pace, your destination. None of us wakes up one day and suddenly finds themselves at the peak of their fitness. The path is steep, hard, and often filled with obstacles. But you, my friend, are not easily deterred. You are strong, stronger than you think. You have the strength of mind, body, and spirit that is rare in today's world. You've broken through barriers, overcome struggles, and risen like a phoenix from the ashes of your past. Every drop of sweat that falls, every muscle that aches, is a testament to your strength. You are capable of achieving great things, capable of defying the odds, capable of pushing your limits and emerging victorious. Your determination lights your way. Your perseverance fuels your journey. Within you lies a power that's tremendous. This power has been with you since the day you were born. It's the power of hard work, discipline, and unyielding resolve. The power to stand up after every fall. The power to keep going even when the world says stop. Remember, this power is not an external force that can be given or taken away. It comes from you. You are the source. You are the driver. You have the power to transform your life, one workout at a time. So, step into your shoes. Step onto your path. Your journey of transformation starts now. You are ready. You are armed. You are capable. This is your time. Conquer it. Voice over. So, take a moment, a simple pause in the day, and allow yourself to breathe in deeply. Picture a wave of tranquility washing over you as you inhale, taking in all the positivity around you. Get ready to conquer the world, but for now, just focus on conquering your workout. Feel the determination coursing through your veins, every heartbeat pushing you closer to your goals. Embrace the challenge, for it is not merely a test of physical strength, but a testament to your mental resilience. Close your eyes. Envision the sweat dripping down your brow, the exhilaration of pushing past your limits. This isn't just about a workout, but about pushing past barriers, demolishing walls, and reaching new heights. This is about being the best version of yourself. Your journey towards a healthier, happier you that's strong, resilient, and unstoppable, starts now. Voiceover, begin your workout. Today is the day that you've decided to make a change, to take the first bold step on your journey towards a healthier, stronger version of yourself. Remember, this path you've chosen is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about making incremental progress day after day. It's about learning to love the burn, the sweat, the aches that are the undeniable signs of your commitment to your fitness goals. Embrace the journey. Revel in the small victories, the tiny milestones that mark your progress. The first push-up, the first mile run, the first pound lost. These are the victories we celebrate even as we look ahead to the bigger challenges and greater triumphs that await us. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. We are here with you, cheering you on every step of the way. We believe in your strength, your determination, and your ability to persevere. We celebrate every victory, no matter how small, because we understand that each one is a testament to your commitment to change, to grow, to become the best version of yourself. You possess an incredible power, the power to transform your life, to rewrite your story. This power doesn't come from the weights you lift or the miles you run. It comes from within, from the strength of your resolve, the depth of your commitment, and the courage of your spirit. Remember, It's never too late to start. It's never too late to make a change. So, let's get started. Let's make today the first day of the rest of your fit life. Start now.